everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home with your family. Today we'll learn about ascending order. But what is ascending order? When we arrange number from the smallest to the greatest, we will call it ascending order. Remember it, from the smallest to the greatest, from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, that is called ascending order. Now everyone, let's see what is ascending order. Okay, here I have written some numbers. We have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, and that's why at first we have to find out which number is smallest here. Okay, look at numbers chart. Look, here I have written 1 to up to 10. So here are 4 numbers: 5, 1, 3, 2. So which number comes first in this chart? Yes, number 1. So number 1 is smallest here. Okay, number 1 done. Next, which number? 5, 3, 2 among them? Yes, after 1, 2 will come. So next, 2 is smallest. After that, which number come? 5 and 3 left. Which? Look, after 2, 3 will come. So at first 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. Next 3, then 4, then 5. At last 5 will come. So if we arrange the number in ascending order, then I will write at first 1, then 2, then 3, and last 5. Okay. Now look at the another example. Okay. I will write as 7, 8, 5, 2. So if we arrange the number in ascending order, so which number I will write first? Tell me, which number I will write first? At first I have to find out which number is smallest here. So look, if we look at the numbers chart, we will get number 2. So among them we will get number 2. So number 2 is smallest here. I have written number 2. Okay, number 2 done. Next, which number will come? 5, 8, 7. Look. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I will write 5. So 5 done. After 5, look which number will come? 7 or 8? 5, 6, 7. Wow. After 5, 7 come here. So I have written 7 and 8 is left here. So next I will write 8. So 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay. Now I have arranged the number in ascending order. That is the 1 digit number. Okay. If I will write 2 digit and 1 digit number, how we can arrange the in ascending order? Look. Okay, it is number 1 example. It is number 2. Now number 3. 6, 4, 11 and 9. Okay. Okay, remember it. 6, 4 and 9. Among them 6, 4, 11, 9. Among them 6, 4 and 9, they are one digit number. Okay, but look at the 11. 1, tens, 1, 1, 11. So 11 is two digit number, and remember it, two digit number is greater than one digit number. Look at numbers chart. 1 to 9, they are one digit number, but 10, 1, 10, 0 ones means 10 are two digit number. So two digit number are greater than one digit number. So 6, 4, 9, they are one digit number. So 11 is greatest here. Okay, so in ascending order we have to find out smaller number. So look which number come first in this chart. Number 4. So at first I will write number 4. After 4, which number come among them? 4, done. Then comes 6. Okay, and after 6, which number come among them? 9. Okay, and last 11. Okay, but if I will write all two digit number, how can I understood which one is smallest here? Look at this example. 21, 33, 46, 17. Okay, at first I will write tens and ones. And I look out first digit. First digit means tens place. Okay, we have to look at tens place. Okay, look in number 21, tens place, here is written 2. 21 means 2 tens, 1 ones. 33 means 3 tens, 3 ones. 46 means 4 tens, 6 ones. And 17 means 1 ten, 7 1. Okay, 1 10, 7 ones. So at first we look at the tens place. Okay, no need to look at the ones place. Because all tens place has different number. So in tens place, which number is smallest? Here 2, here 3, here 4, here 1. So 1 is smallest. So number 17 is smallest here. Okay, this number done. Next, which number is smallest here? Look at the again tens place among 3 numbers. Yes, 2 is smallest here. So 21 is smallest among 3. Okay, it is done. Next, 33 and 46. Look at again tens place. 33 or 46, which one is smallest? Here is 3 in tens place, here 4 in tens place. So 3 or 4, which is smallest? 3. So next I will write 33, and at last 46. Okay. Next, look at another example. 55, 58, 16, 14. We have to arrange this number in ascending order. Again I will write tens and ones. Okay, now look, 55 and 58 in two numbers. In tens place there is 5, and 16 and 14 in tens place they are 1. Okay, so we understood 14 and 16 they are smaller than 58 and 56, but 16 or 14, which is smallest among them? So we have to now look at ones place also. Here to tens place 1, here also tens place 1. So they are the same number. Now we have to look at ones place. Here 6 and here 4. So now tell me which is smallest, 4 or 6? Yes, number 4. So 14 is smallest here. At first I will write 14. 14 done, then 16. Now which number I will write, 55 or 58? Again we have to look at ones place, because tens place they are same numbers 5. So now we have to look at ones place. So here 5 and here 8. Which is smallest, 5 or 8? Obviously 5. So I will write 55, because 55 is smaller than 58, and then at last I will write 58. Okay, so I have arranged the number in ascending order. So everyone, now can you understood ascending order? I hope you all understood. Okay, bye bye everyone.